Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venkat, and in this video I'm going to show you how to grab Among Us game for free on PC and Mac. So I'm going to open one of the browser, and you can get this link from the description guys. I'm going to provide it in the description so that you can able to get it free. So Epic Games has taken Among Us and they are going to provide it for free for few days, that is up to June 3rd. So it's an wonderful opportunity to get this game for free because it has price of around 200. So and they are not going to provide each and everything for free. They are going to cost pet bundles, pets and other things. But you can able to get game for free and you can able to use custom name and free chat. So it's an wonderful opportunity to grab this game. So I'm going to click on get now, and also I have this game on my Steam, but I want to show you on Epic Games how to get it. So now let me click on get. So here you can log into Epic Games using any of the account, but I actually have Epic Games account because I play Fortnite on my mobile. So I'm going to sign in using Epic account, so I'm going to click on it. So here provide your mail ID and password and then click on login. So you need to accept the license agreement in order to get into checkout page. So here we are on the checkout page. So here you can see the price of Among Us game. It's 119 rupees, but the discount is same. So you are getting it for 0 rupees. Now I'm going to click on place order. So it's confirming your order. And you will receive a email regarding this, so you can check your mobile for email. So now if you have Epic Launcher installed on your PC, you can directly open it. If not, you need to download Epic Games Launcher. So I'm going to download it. So it will take time based on your internet speed. We have to wait. I'm going to fast forward this. So after completion of download, install this file. This is not an launcher, this is an launcher setup file. So here you can see Epic Games Launcher setup. So it will download actual Epic Games Launcher right now. So let me show you that. So let's wait for installing this setup. This will consume time based on your system performance. So actually I fast forward this. Yeah, okay, it's done. So now it will download the actual Epic Launcher setup. Sorry, Epic Launcher. So the actual download started right now. I'm going to fast forward this completely. So it will consume time based on your internet speed. So after completion of download, it will automatically install itself and open it out. Now here in this page, you need to sign into your account which you have placed your order. So I have done with Epic account, so I'm going to log into my Epic account again. Make sure to log in with the same account which you have purchased Among Us. So it's preparing the Epic Games launcher. So you can see the welcome message. I'm going to close this message. So here you can see free game beside Among Us image, but actually we have purchased it, so we can able to find that in our library. So I'm going to click on our library. So here you can able to see Among Us and Fortnite I play on my mobile, and we just purchased Among Us. So I'm going to click on install. Now click on install again. So it may take time based on your internet speed again. God, there are many downloads. So I'm going to fast forward this. So I'm going to launch this game. So it's opening. Click on I understood. So it will ask you to sign in using Epic Games account. So I'm going to click on allow for that. So you are going to log into Among Us using your Epic Games account. So I'm going to click on sign in. Yeah, you can see sign in was successful. Let me show you what they have given in free account. So let me create a game and we can check out. So here we are in the lobby. Let me open laptop and we can check. So you got each and every hat. There are no pets. There are few skins, but there is no airship skins. Okay, everything is similar to Steam version. So it's actually free, guys, and you can use custom name and free chat. So don't miss this opportunity, and I want you guys to share this video to as many people as you can, because everyone cannot purchase game, guys. So I want you guys to share this video to enormous people so they can actually have free version with chat and custom name. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we do regular streams on Among Us, and you can subscribe to the channel so that you can able to join us on a live. So thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you up in the next video. Bye everyone. Guys, I have one suggestion. Even if you don't have PC, just purchase the game using your mobile so that it will be on your account for lifetime. So don't miss this opportunity. Bye guys. Bye everyone.